Hello guys, in our previous video, we converted DWG to KML format. In this video, we are going to convert again that KML file to DWG format in QGIS. So let's now start. We are going to convert our KML file to DWG format. Already I open the QGIS. It is the free open source software, so anybody can download and install it. It is very easy. So here two way to import the KML file. First one is the add layer and vector layer. Then you select your file and add it. So layer will be add. And second one is the vector. You go to in the vector. Here a tool KML tool, import KML and KMZ. If you don't find this tool in the vector, then you can install your plugin, go to here, manage here and write here just a KML tool, then it will be appear and you install. It's required the internet connection. After install, you will find the here KML tool. Okay. So now we are importing our file. I think you remember the name. We given the model one name. So just click here. It's in the documents and we come to down. Yeah, model one is here. Just open it. Nothing you have to change here. Just all things are optional. See right here, optional. Just you run from here. Yes, it's now completed, you can see, and here our layer already added and close it. Okay, and you see our data is here now. See, but it's very big, so we can't see it, and visible is not good. So what we have to do, just we come to on here, click once and then right click and go to property. Here first you see the label, then come to here single label. You should be select the single label. Okay, then here you can change the size 5 and here click, then you can change the color. Okay, this color, and come to here and apply and okay. Now you can see the labels here and size is the big. Okay, we'll make small. Again same you repeat it. Come to this output line layer and click right click, go to property and label here just a single label. Okay, and size you put the now 4 here. Color will change the color, just this color select and click this arrow, then click to here, then okay, then apply and okay. Now you see this line has the change the color text. And now another thing, you just come to our point here, again go to in property. Okay, so last time we changed the only labels. Okay, now we have to change the symbology means symbols, looking like these symbols, you know. So here just we have to put the size 0.5, maybe it will be very small, then apply, then okay. You see now our point is the small, you can see this all points are you can see here. Okay, see our pipeline you can see same here. Okay, we will export in the AutoCAD in DXF format. So how to we do? You click once here and export, save feature as this feature. AutoCAD DXF format is here option, and easily save file also here. So just we select AutoCAD DXF format and click to here these dots. Then you give to name your file. I'm giving here the point layer. Point layer. Okay. And save it. Okay. Then okay. Then it's asking entire, you select add on. Okay. And add layer. AutoCAD layer also added here. Okay. Next, just you uncheck it. Uncheck this one. Okay. Then click to here. Then property. Oh, sorry. Click here. Then go to an export. Save feature as same DXF. Give to file name here. I'm giving to line layer. Line layer. Okay. Then save it. Okay. Already saved. Then just once click to here. Then that layer will be created here also. 90%. Wait. It's adding. Yes. Now select all, add layer. Okay. So layer also added here. Layer I added because now we can off our original. See here, and this already off here. Original. Then we can see again here. Okay. Same. So now we can close it and go to the AutoCAD. Yes, now we already open the Civil 3D and we open our DXF file here. Then documents, layer line and point layer. So line layer, just open. Yes, already open. We can't see because somewhere far. So come and zoom, then zoom extend. Now we can see, yes, our line is here now. Same the pipelines. Here you can see the 3 lines. Now you bring to another layer, open the another layer. So we can say here open and point layer, then open. It's opening now. Yes, already open. It's not showing because the far. Just zoom extend. We can see. You can see here this is the points. All are the points. Yes. Line already we imported in the another drawing. This is the points. These all points we can export as CSV file, means in the Excel files. Click once here and select all. All point already selected, and go and the clipboard and copy it, or Control C you can do, copy. Then come to our line layer drawing, and here just right click, go to in clipboard and come down, paste to original coordinate. Yes, that all point are here now. You see, you can see all points are here. I think guys you understood well that how to convert a DWG to KML format and KML to again convert in the DWG format.